way, we got a beautiful Palomino Solaire. Woo, we got a bunch of fifth wheels. We got a bunch of bumper pulls. But look at this. All fiberglass. Beautiful outdoor kitchen. This is a full winter package trailer. 2 ACs. Let me tell you what. Beautiful. And I'm telling you, Palomino, man, these trailers turn out so nice. Sleeper sofa, rear kitchen, but look at this. This is real wood cabinetry. Super nice. Recliners, all factory. Look at this fireplace. Oh, the AC is so cold. Woo! Free shipping, free delivery. Look at this. Washer and dryers, closet. Look at that. You can put a washer and dryer. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful trailer. Come on.